How to draw accurate Fibonacci retracement on TradingView. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. Fibonacci retracement is a powerful technical analysis tool that reveals potential levels where price might reverse during a trend. It uses the mathematical ratios found in nature to predict possible support and resistance zones. Traders worldwide rely on these levels to make informed decisions about entries, exits, and trend reversals in any market or time frame. To use it, first of all, open your required chart and select that time frame in which you want to analysis. In Fibonacci first, we find swing high, and then we predict the possible swing low through this. Like in this previous move from this level to this is the swing high, and this was the swing low. To draw Fibonacci, simply go to the drawing panel, and from here, tap on Fibonacci Retracement. Draw this from lower area to swing high. .382 to 0.681 level is the most important level, called as golden zone. To further make it clear, tap on it. Then tap on Setting. Uncheck these additional values and press OK. Let me change its colors as well to make it more clear. Now this is the golden area to reverse a price. This is the swing high, and this may be the possible swing low. And the price of BTC can go up from here according to this. We can purchase and can open long positions from this golden area. Like if we backtest further this tool, you can see here as well that how accurate it is working. You can see how accurately price moved up from this golden area. Further, you can customize it according to you. Also, you have any queries, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.